In this video, I will give an in-depth look at Nurafix Nano Car Spray, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. It has been recently marketed as a high-tech solution to keep your car exterior protected and looking brand new. The spray claims to use nanotechnology to create a protective layer against dirt, water and scratches, but is it a legitimate product or another scam? So, spray sounds like a promising product for car owners who want to maintain their vehicle appearance without spending on expensive waxing or detailing. The spray is advertised as easy to apply, offering long-lasting protection with minimal effort. However, the claim seems to be too good to be true. So, some red flags. One concern is that it lacks detailed information about company behind nanospray. Legitimate product usually provide clear detail about the manufacturer, customer service, and product. So, unfortunately, it doesn't appear to have transparent contact information or well-known brand behind it. It can be a sign of potentially unreliable product. Customer review for nanospray are mixed. Some users report that spray does provide protection against water, dirt, and others claim that it doesn't work as advertised. Complaints include ineffective results, short-lasting protection, and difficulty in application. Several users also report receiving subpar customer service when trying to get a refund or replacement. Another issue for the website is that selling product may be a scam website focused on offering products at discount prices, but once you make a purchase, it's hard to reach customer support or receive order. The payment method on the sites are often unsecure, making it risky to share your financial information. So, in order to determine if Nurafix Nano Spray is legit, you have to follow this step. First, check the independent review on trusted platforms like Amazon or Car Forum. Second, avoid sites that can't provide clear information. Finally, only purchase from websites with secure payment option. In conclusion, the spray may sound like an innovative product. The lack of transparency, make customer feedback, and potentially quality issues suggest it could be a bit risky. Stay cautious, research thoroughly, and avoid potential scams. And that's it. You are done.